It's my story.
It's Kumi's story. Kumi the lion cub. Jambo, Kumi.
Jambo! I would like you to meet my family. We live here in the Masai Mara. And there are lots and lots and lots and lots of us. Sometimes I try to count my family to practice my numbers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I wish they would stand still. I'm trying to count. I'll start again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and her, and them, and oh, I've lost count again. Anyway, there are lots and lots of us in my family. All that counting has made me sleepy. We always have a rest in the middle of the day when the sun is so hot. My aunties are snoring already. But I prefer to roll in the grass, cooling off. I get to spend a lot of time with my family, which I love. This is my mama, Mama Ishi. She's great, but she's always trying to keep my face clean and behind my ears. Oh, Mama, stop it! That tickles. Oh, look, my aunties are waking up. There's Auntie Sako. And that's my auntie too, I think. Oh, you see? Because that's another auntie. And it all gets so confusing. I have a lot of aunties here. But this is my dad. I call him Baba. He's so big and brave and strong and handsome. And he has the biggest, softest, hairiest mane all around his face. Bigger than any other lion's mane in the Masai Mara. One day, I will look like him. But I have a lot of growing to do first. My Baba is so old. Can I have a piggyback, please, Baba? Just a quick one. That baby baboon is getting a ride. Wow, it's a good view from up here. There's a family of big lazy hippos. My mama likes to laze around too, which isn't much fun for me. I can't even chase her tail when she's lying down. But hold on a minute. I have my own tail. Whee! Whee! Oh, I feel a little bit dizzy. I think that's enough of that. Who else is out playing? There's the mongoose family, looking around as usual. Mama says it's because they're nosy. Everyone is with their family, just like me. It looks like we're on the move. Now it's not so hot, we can walk. Come on, Baba. We'd better get going. I'm always at the back. My legs are so short and I can't keep up. But my family always wait for me to catch up. And one day, I will have long legs too. Some of the time, I just like to watch and listen. I look at my family and learn from all the things I see. Sometimes Baba will give me roaring lessons. His voice is so deep and strong that you can hear it for miles around. It lets the other animals know that my Baba is the king of the Masai Mara. Baba says I have to practice my roar if I want to be as loud and as scary as he is one day. I'm trying my hardest. It's getting louder. I think. One day, I'll be able to roar like my Baba. Right now, though, I'm happy just being young. I get to play all day and all of my family look out for me.
Kumi has a lot of growing to do before he's as big and strong and loud as his dad. But for now, he'll just enjoy long, happy days with his family. And as the lazy lions get back to being lazy, it's time for us to say goodbye, kwaheri, from the wide, grassy plains of Africa.